How to be very, very effective in the doctor's chamber. How to get the prescription from the doctor's chamber is very, very important. And how to be very, very effective in communication in the doctor's chamber, whether it is detailing, whether it is other communication. So that becomes very, very important in the doctor's chamber. So I'm going to talk about 5 different ways by which we can become very, very effective in the doctor's chamber. Yes, of course, I'm going to talk to you 5 top tips by which we can become successful. My name is Kumar Abhishek, and from past 21 years, I have been into this industry, and I am going to give you the 5 important way by which we can become very, very successful. The number one way is the preparation about the molecule we are detailing, the molecule mechanism of action, the side effect, the pricing. All those things are important to know before going to the doctor's chamber and before detailing the product. Pricing are not only our product, the product which is available in the marketplace, the packing of the product which is made available in the doctor's nearby doctor's chamber, and the product which doctor is using. So retailing becomes very, very important, and we should have information of all those things before going to the doctor's chamber. Then we become very, very effective in the doctor's chamber. And number two is practicing. Yes, practicing detailing to the tune, as if like without seeing you should be able to tell the detailing, all the USP, all the words should be crystal clear. It has to be practiced well. If we fumble there, we will not be able to gain the acceptance of the doctors. That becomes very, very important. So practice detailing, practice again and again, practice maybe 100 times if it is required. More we practice, more fluent we become, more chances of getting the prescription in the doctor's chamber. If we are not practicing well, that becomes the hurdle, that becomes the difficulty to get the prescription support. Yes, that is number two. Number three thing is market survey. Whether doctor is using the molecule or not. Whether doctor has used the molecule in the past or willing to use the molecule. Most of the time what has been seen that we promote a wrong product to the right doctor. That means what? We are not knowing which molecule doctor is preferring, why he is preferring, why doctor is preferring. So those things are very, very important. In order to gain the support of the doctor, we should know the doctor's preference of the molecule. If doctors are not using that particular molecule, let us not go with that brand or go with that molecule in the doctor's chamber. Let us promote some other product. Maybe doctor is fit for some other product in our basket. So that becomes very, very important to select the doctor according to their preference of prescription. So that becomes very, very crucial. Number four is detailing without eye contact. Suppose I am seeing there and talking, so and I am not maintaining the right connect with the doctor, or not seeing in their eyes, or not watching if doctor is doing something else, or I am watching here and detailing. So there is no eye connect. So eye connect is very, very crucial in order to gain the prescription support and trust of doctors. Eye connect is very, very important while communicating, while detailing. Yes, so it becomes very, very important. In order to gain the prescription support, we should have eye to eye connect with the doctor, and that with that we have completed 4 points. Fifth point is not asking question from the doctor. Having detailed everything, not asking any question whether you like the product or how is the product, whether I should make the brand available in the nearby counter, what I should be doing. So all those things you should prepare it well. because just detailing it is one-way communication. We are communicating to the doctor. It is not complete communication. We should ask the question, ask how many prescription how many opportunity you have in a day to prescribe, how many number of prescription you give in a week, how is the number of patient you get for this particular disease. So all those things are important. So let us ask the question and let us gain the acceptance of the doctor. Suppose you ask 2-3 question, open-ended question or closed-ended question, then it becomes important. Yes, then only the communication gets completed with the doctor. Yes. So in order to gain the support of the doctor and gain the trust of the doctor, let us practice these 5 tips. That is very, very important. So I hope this is very, very useful tips for you all. So let us write in the comment box how you like this video and what is your view of, or what is your top 5 points you think that is very, very important to gain the support or gain the trust of the doctor. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.